my my phone side, won't fire. Too dirty, one night. Call waiting.
If I get to wings like an eagle, I will fly to anywhere you there. Make I be your superhero. Yeah. Tell me what be your pin code, so I go open all the doors for your heart. What be the issue? Yeah. Cause I dey feel the melody when we did just you and me. We go there spiritually. Yeah. If you dey feel the melody, make you love me tenderly. Anyway, spiritually. Oh, Lord, Lord, big ass, mommy, yeah, yeah. So me, yeah, yeah. Love big ass, mommy, yeah, yeah. So me, yeah, yeah. Like ass, mommy, yeah, yeah. So me, yeah, yeah. Love big ass, mommy, yeah, yeah. And maybe you get ass, mommy, yeah, yeah.
7 o'clock, one mile. My phone side, won't fire. Too dirty, one night. Call waiting.
When I dey sick, girl, your body be my medicine. And girl, your kiss my remedy. Nobody else, only you and me, girl. See, I go love you, die out. You're my heart desire, oh baby. You wanna love the fire, oh. Love the fire, oh yeah. See, I go love you, die out.
What's good, you guys? It's your girl Tracy and I am back again with another video. As you guys can see by the title, in this video I'm going to be reviewing Ishowbeauty. I'll put the logo right here so you guys can see the company I'm talking about. I kind of wanted to do a fall look and I think that's what I achieved with the hair color as well as the Chinese bangs. This is my first time doing Chinese bangs, so bear with me. It has to grow on me. So today I'm reviewing their body wave hair. This is an already made wig and it's 24 inches. Just tell you guys a little bit about the hair. The density is 150% density. This hair was pre-plucked. I got 24 inches of body wave hair. This is virgin human hair, grade 10A. This hair is tangle free. The hair color was natural black. As you guys can see, I did go ahead and add some color to it and also added Chinese bangs. On the website, it says it has minimal to no shedding. It comes with 4 combs, an adjustable band in the back. The shipping was extremely fast. I got this hair within the same week of ordering the hair. This hair company also replied really fast. Right when I emailed them, they emailed me right back. And you know when you're emailing a hair company, it usually takes forever. So I don't have too much experience with the hair, but I can tell you guys what I noticed, as well as how it was when I was coloring the hair and everything. So as you guys can see, I did go ahead and color the hair. I just put 40 volume developer with lightener. I added it to the hair for about 30 minutes and put shimmery lights toner on it. So this is the color that I got. I am experiencing some frizziness and just a little bit of shedding, so I think I'm going to go ahead and add some oils or deep condition the hair to minimize the frizz. But I do love how the color came out. It came out beautifully. I do notice that this wig is kind of light. I usually get 180% density with my straight hair or my body wave hair, but this is 150% density, so I do feel like it's kind of light. This is all the hair pushed forward. I definitely wish it was a little bit fuller. I don't feel any weight and I feel like it's just so, you know, I do absolutely love the length. It definitely goes down to my waistline. I am 5'3", that in all my videos. I'm 5'3", and 24 inches definitely hits my waistline and even goes past it a little bit. So right now my only problem really is the density. I wish I got a higher density because 150 just ain't working for me. It's not bad. It's not like terrible. Like you could barely notice. It looks good still, but I just want it to be a little bit more full because this is all the hair pushed forward. It's not stiff at all, giving me all types of life. I love the color on my skin. I'm starting to like the Chinese bang. Is definitely growing on me. This look wasn't hard to do at all. Let me know if you guys want to see more hair coloring videos because I kind of just come onto the videos with the hair already colored and everything. Everything seems pretty good so far, but so far I really like it. It's giving me fall vibes, so definitely loving this look. It looks so cute with jackets and sweaters with the hair color and everything and Chinese bang. I just look so comfortable and cozy. So definitely check it out. Link will be down in the description box below. Definitely check it out. From Ishowbeauty. This wig did come pre-plucked. I actually didn't pluck this hair at all anyway because I did the Chinese bang, so it's all covered anyway. I do love the lace though. It looks like a scalp. I don't know if you guys can see. I definitely will come back with an update video. I'm gonna wear it a little bit longer and come back with a second video. So with that being said, I don't really have anything else to say. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.
When I dey sick, girl, your body be my medicine. And girl, your kiss my remedy. Nobody else, only you and me, girl. See, I go love you, die out. You're my heart desire, oh baby. You wanna love the fire, oh. Love the fire, oh yeah. See, I go love you, tire, oh. You're my heart desire, oh baby. You wanna love the fire, oh. Oh, nah, nah, nah.